welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing a try on haul. I'm really trying to clean out my closet, so these are some pieces that I will be uploading for sale. If you guys are interested in this video, please be sure to keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Down, but this is my outfit. I'll answer an Instagram picture that I posted of this skirt. I really do love this skirt. This is from Zara. It fits really well. It's well made and fitted. The print is so freaking cute. I have to double check what size this came in, but I would definitely wear this with, you can dress it up or dress it down. I just paired it with some Steve Madden white heels, my Ramen Inc. mini bag, and Ramen Inc. tank dress, the Zara skirt. Okay. Everything that I've been doing is all bad. We gonna start. Tell me something like that. It's all bad. Let's just. Okay, you guys, so this is my second outfit that I'm adding to my website. I paired it with the same white heels and the same black mini bag from Ramen Inc. This is a cow neck dress. It also is printed, as you guys can see. It flows, hugs, and shakes. Yes! Okay. It does the body really, really nice. It has a slit on the side. And I just love a good slip-on dress. I feel like it's really, really easy. For summertime, springtime, it feels good. It's flirty, sexy, all that good stuff. Yes, this is a size small. This will be listed for sale. This is such a cute look. I just love it. This is a two-piece set. Obviously, it's a really long pencil skirt, but you do have some room at the bottom, not too much, but you can walk. You do have enough room to walk. The colors are the exact same exact material. Really, really good stretch. I'm wearing a small, but it hugs me really good. This will be sold as a set on my website. However, I also think this will be really, really cute if you pair this with like a really cropped t-shirt, like the same length as the top but cropped in a cut t-shirt to dress it down a little bit. I think that'll be super, super cute and a little bit more chill. I also think this top would look really cute with some boyfriend jeans or some mom jeans. I'm gonna try to find a pair of high-waisted jeans to wear this top with really quick so you guys can see that. But yeah, I think this one's a banger. Okay, back again with another outfit. I actually really, really like this one. I love how simple it is. Same white shoes. I feel like if you have a pair of shoes like this, it can literally go with just about any and everything. Like, I kid you not. But yeah, I just decided to pair it with some some denim shorts. These shorts are from Gap. I don't know what size these are, but this is just like an oversized, I don't even know what to really call this. It does have some fringe detail right here. It is long, so you can wear it as a dress. I just decided to tuck it in a little bit on the front to give it a little bit more style and pizzazz. I feel like a white hat would be cute with this outfit as well, like a white fedora type of hat. And yeah, you have yourself a whole look. Carry it with the Roman ink purse. Wanted to add a pop of color because, you know, why not? Yeah, I really like it. It is not a lot going on, however, it's still a look. I think the long curly hair adds a little bit of something as well. Hair from Ramen Hair Collection, y'all already know. This is my favorite way to wear it because it's not doing too much. This is not doing too much, and we don't ever want to do too much. We want to do just enough. If it's not just enough, we're doing the most, period. Ain't no in between. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and get into the next outfit. Okay, so this is the next item. It is this dress. I'm in love with this outfit. This purse goes with this dress. It's so nice. Like, it just complements the look so nice. Like, who is she? Yes, I love this outfit. Now that I'm putting together these looks, I just don't want to get rid of them. Ooh, yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. We stand her. I love this. I'm in love. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I'm not selling this dress. I'm sorry y'all, but this, I love that this one kind of makes me look a little bit bigger than I am. It's kind of doing something to the hips, you know what I'm saying? Not too much. It's not too much. Yeah, I'm really liking this. I feel expensive. I feel really good, okay? Period. Yeah, this is like my nude bag that I just had, but this is a crocodile or snakeskin print. I'm not too sure. Snakeskin print. Black dress. It gives you that wet look, which I really like. It hugs the body pretty good. It stops right at the calves, so it's not a maxi, but it's not a mini either, but it fits really good. I just paired it with this black bag. It has the same texture on my bag, which is something that I really like. I don't know, this was a sample for my spring collection I was gonna do, but spring collection got a little postponed, but I do have some samples, so let me know if you guys are interested in this number, but I like her. She's cute. Alright y'all, so that was the end of this try on haul. I'll probably be breaking this up and doing them into series or segments or whatever because I have so many clothes. I barely was able to get through like 5 outfits. So I have a long ways to go. If you're interested in seeing more of me getting rid of my clothes, me trying it on for you guys, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make more try on hauls for you all. But in the meantime, let's watch another video. Thumbs up, comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.